Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Curious how to make your subject look taller in Canva? I'll show you step by step. Click Create, then choose Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. After setting the size, navigate to the Elements tab to begin adding design elements to your project. In the search bar, type Partner to find all photo types related to partners. Then review the search results to select the appropriate partner photo type for your needs. Next, type Photo into the search bar at the top of the screen. As you type, you'll see a list of suggested options appear. Click on Photo from the drop-down list to select it. This action will filter your results, showing only items that match the photo category. Take a moment to review the displayed results and check that they align with your intended search. If necessary, refine your keyword for more accurate outcomes. Once you're satisfied with the results, continue to the next step in your workflow. Select this example image and set it as the background. Next, detach the image from the background layer so it becomes an independent element. This allows you to move and edit it separately. Now, drag the detached image to the preview area. Adjust its size and position to fit your layout as needed. By detaching and repositioning the image, you gain more flexibility for customization, making it easy to showcase different visuals in the preview. This approach gives you full control over background and foreground elements for your design. To increase this person's height, select them, then click the Edit button to adjust the height to your preference. Click on the Tools menu, scroll down the list, and look for the Magic Crab option to continue with your selection process. Select this item by clicking it, then choose the person you want to share it with from the list. After selecting the person, click the Confirm or Share button to complete the process, and grant them access according to your selected permissions. Next, we'll increase the height of the person. Select the person layer, then go to the Transform options. Adjust the height value until you reach the desired size. Make sure the proportions look natural before moving on to the next step. He now appears taller than the other figure. Next, click the Share button and select Download. You can choose to save your work as a PNG file, or alternatively, select PDF print if you prefer a document format for this particular design. Now you know how to make anyone look taller in Canva. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tips.